You know what I'm saying? Like people play those games. So
Ooh, yeah,
that's
I
tough.
mean, because when you get good credit, like here's the other thing too, guys. Like sometimes, like every time if your card gets declined, it's one of two things: either A, you're a brokey, or B, you got really good security on your credit. Because like if you go to try to buy something that you normally don't go shop at, they're gonna be like, "What the hell is this you?" And then you'll get a text message or a phone call. Then you just say yes, it's me or whatever, and then you do it again, and it'll work.
Yeah.
But because credit card fraud is very common, guys. It's the fastest growing crime in America right now is fraud.
Swipe or no swiping, literally. But yeah, that's number collections and
Right now, I'm replacing my Amex cards, bro. The niggas steal my shit all the time, man. It's annoying.
bro. I don't know about you, but I be getting some weird charges on my shit, bro.
Yeah.
Randomly.
Yeah.
And
gift
I'm like,
cards.
nigga,
Gift cards. I don't know who it is. Bro, if I ever find out who you are, I'm going to find you, motherfucker. And when I do, it's not going to be a good day for you. You keep buying these goddamn gift cards on my Amex cards. I see it. I don't know what the fuck is going on, you simp. You're probably buying them for some chick. This is bullshit, man. Shit pissing me off, bro. Amex probably looking at my shit like, look at this nigga. He's a simp. Like, it's not me. It's not fucking me, bro. I've had to replace my Amex cards like 3 times in the past couple months, man.
Man, that was Myron when he was off the beam. It was him, man. He's on the
What?
NyQuil.
Myron don't buy
No,
gift
nigga,
cards.
it's not me, man.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
Like, bro, I don't buy shit.
Myron
No.
You guys, I wear the same clothes every day.
I'm not gonna hold you, man. He don't buy shit for real. It's kind of sad.
I buy Chipotle.
Only studio equipment.
I buy studio equipment at Chipotle, and that's it. I wear the same clothes every day, guys. I'm kind of a bum. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, hell, these sneakers right here, I didn't buy these. Shout out to J.R. Troy. He got them for me.
He said it, not me.
Huh?
You said it, not me.
Yeah.
That you're a bum.
Yeah. And then the other Jordans I got, Angie bought me those.
That was nice.
So, yeah.
Where's Angie?
She went to go see family in Portland.
Nice.
They're all over there.
Must be nice having a girlfriend. Must be nice.
She wanted to drag me over there. I was like, man, I got to work, man.
You can go.
Myron,
I'll run the show.
Myron hates flying.
You could, man, if you want. But I hate flying, too. I hate traveling. Guys, I hate traveling, man. I hate that shit.
Go, bro.
No, man, she coming back tomorrow, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was too late. Like, it was for the weekend and shit. But then I wouldn't have been able to do the Trump breakdown.
Oh, yeah, it's true. Good excuse. Yo, this nigga also has an excuse, Mo. I swear to God, bro. Literally, I'm like, let's go to Vegas, bro.
Nope.
We got UFC, we got Power Slap, we got all these things going on. Niggas like, I'm gonna do the debate. You can do the debate in Vegas. Oh no, bro, they won't have all the equipment. I'm like, nigga, yes they do. You just want to stay here. You don't want to come.
They kind of don't.
They didn't, though. They legit didn't.
Bro, we had two
kinda
studios.
Right. He's right about
The,
that.
I only knew about the sticky paws.
Well,
we wouldn't have been able to do
We
it.
figured it out for you. You could have came.
Okay.
You didn't want to come though. Nope.
I don't like traveling. I hate that shit. I ain't gonna
Nigga,
lie,
man.
guys. I don't like planes. I don't like airports. I don't like traveling.
Well, guess what? With your credit card, you use the points, travel for free.
You could, yeah.
For free,
You
guys.
absolutely can. I got a bunch.
That's the W right there, man.
I got a
Actually,
bunch.
our suite was paid for free, by the way.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good.
So next time, give me your card so I can use your points. All right. Last point here, man. Yep. It's going to be...
Yeah.
Wait, should we do chats first?
Yeah, we could read chats first, and then we'll do the last one, and then
We got
the
special guests
ninjas
coming?
Yeah, we got the ninjas coming through later.
I don't know you, bro, but I love this new segment, man. No girl, just the boys talking, being
it's gonna be
boys.
litty. We're gonna talk about. We got a lot to talk about on that new show.
Oh, a lot, bro.
Most banks and credit card companies allow you to change your due date, change it to 7 to 10 days before their report date, and that will help keep positive report and a good score.
Yes, guys, if you can get that
Good
date
hack.
down pack, I'm telling you, bro, you can don't do this though. You could max out your card and it's paid off before that date. You'll be good. Obviously speaking, don't be dumb about it, but you can actually do that and get away with it.
Or what I do is I just like spend on it, and then I just like periodically pay my credit cards like once or twice a week.
Yeah,
that's the other finesse that you could do too.
there you go.
What else do we got here? We got My Name is Richard.
Hey guys, I'm a credit educator in Canada. I wanted to thank you guys for giving people this W and on credit because God knows we all need it. I'm trying to give some credit advice myself every day on CastleClub. P.S. Mo, add me on Discord, please. It's Richard on CastleClub.
I got you.
We got you. Hey, guys, we got a CastleClub Discord, by the way, as well, man. Join it.
We
Guys,
do.
please. Mo's adding people in there.
I think the free one is gone, right?
Yes.
Says only. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
Samson says, have you seen Destiny's reaction to Trump's attempted assassination? Holy, he seems mad that Trump didn't get deleted. He even mocked the firefighter who died.
Yeah, it was going crazy on Twitter. We're going to talk about that on the news show. Don't worry, guys.
We will.
We'll talk about that over there. Let's see here. We got Rico Savage, part 1. It's your boy, General Rico. I just want to say, wanted to share today's W with the fam. My mom asked me if I would help her get the cosmetic surgery she's wanted for the past 20 plus years, but put her kids first instead of getting it. Oh, shit. Okay. You got your mom the surgery that she wanted. All right, bro. That's a W, man.
Mm-hmm.
Part 2. My dad was going to pay for it since she hadn't asked for much. It's $5,000 and he's about to retire, so I told her I will pay for it. She cried This is why we're here, gentlemen. The money, cars, and whores are nice. Looking after people who looked after you is better. Join CC. Yo, shout out to you, Rico Savage. That's a big W, bro. The fact that you're able to take care of your mom after she took care of you and you're getting her something that she actually wants. It's
So,
great.
Rico, that right there, man, shows you your might as a man. And one of my goals on my dream board, bro, was to retire my mom. And before I bought any car, any crazy watches or whatever, I retired her. She quit her full-time job, all that stuff. And, like, the look on her face, man, happiness was, like, the best feeling ever, bro. So.
Hey, man, that's great, bro. That I'm going to give you a Don DeMarco. That's a huge W.
Shout out to Rico, man.
That's great, man. You got to give back to your parents, man.
Yep.
That's fucking awesome. Rear says, you guys are the GOATs. 1 year ago, I had a devastating 644 credit score, and because of you guys, I now have a 747. This donation is sent from Cash Rewards card. Let's fucking go! Let's go! Nigga gave us his Cash Rewards.
About. Hey, $30, man.
Bro,
Shout out to you, bro.
he went from 644
He
credit score
flexed.
where he couldn't get a fucking credit card. That's good.
Yeah.
Because I ain't gonna lie, bro. With a 644 credit score, nigga, you getting that shitty ass.
You're getting the lowest rate, sorry, the highest rate possible, nigga.
You get that shitty credit card with the Starry
medium
Night Van Gogh with no benefits. This shit has the Starry Night Van Gogh. That's my card.
Yo.
Shitty ass Capital One card, bro. That
That's
shit gives you
funny.
zero benefits. I still have it open to this day. I opened that shit back in like 2007, 2008. I still have it to this day, bro. That shit charges me $35 a fucking year. I get no benefits.
Wow.
But the only reason I keep it open is because it was my first credit card and I want to keep the line. Credit line length, guys. Credit
History.
not history. Yeah,
Time.
Like credit time. Keeping a line open is very important too, bro. It goes in increments of 5 to 10 years.
Yeah.
So obviously I got to keep it because obviously my credit score. It's not much. It's like it'll drop your score off by like 10 to 50 points. But yeah, man, you want to keep a credit line as open as long as possible. So yeah, I'd pay that $30 a year or whatever for an annual fee, but it is what it is, and I get no benefits from it.
Yeah.
I don't even know where the fuck that card is. Why can't niggas steal that card, man? Like goddamn,
It's
bro.
lame, bro. They don't want that one.
I guess, yeah, they don't like Van Gogh. Let's see here. So shout out to you, bro. 644, you ain't get shit, but 747, you definitely go get some good cards.
That's some of the best tiers right there.
PVO says, yo, guys, I do credit repair and business funding, and I'm in all the stuff Minor Fresh set up. Just hit me up. I got y'all. PVO Wheezy for all platforms.
Okay.
All right. Watch from the Lobe. Okay. When are you going to do a podcast for those on the next step? I already have a good credit score and money saved up, looking for direction, bro. Then now you need to start investing, my friend.
Yeah.
You do all that so that you can start investing. Watch our real estate episodes, or crypto, whatever you want to do. My score is 680 to 726, bro. You guys. Okay, so here's the goal. We should say this, guys. You need to all get to at least 720. All of you need to get to at least 720. Once you get, I consider 720 like entry level, good credit.
Excellent is 760 and above.
Yeah, like you'll be able to get decent terms on most things, and you'll get approved. Most importantly, you ain't gonna get that embarrassing ass decline.
Yeah.
So try to get to 720, guys, on your credit score. That's the bare minimum. If you're in the 600s or 500s, God forbid, or 400s, or you said some nigga had 390, like, bro, I think there's dead niggas that got better credit than that. Goddamn.
That's terrible.
That's trash.
That's deplorable, bro. I was like, nigga, that shit's terrible. Like, cause it was funny. I didn't know how the system
You
worked.
gotta try.
Yeah.
Like to have a credit score under 400, you gotta try.
Mind you, I was a novice at this whole credit stuff. I read that book. I was like, nigga, what's wrong with you, bro? Like, are you okay? But thing is, this is the problem with niggas, bro. Black niggas don't care, bro. All they care about is fucking Black and Milds. We're on YouTube? Oh, wait, hold on. Let me stop. This is a Money Monday show. My bad. Yeah, but hey, man.
Yeah.
Don't be a nigga, man.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah,
guys, like,
Yeah.
You just gotta be smart with guys.
See, I lived in the hood, bro. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta be smart. Time step that, Mo. But yeah, you just gotta be smart, guys. Like, don't be an idiot. Like,
Yeah, be smart, man.
Bro.
It's deplorable.
Yeah.
Okay. Next chat.
We got here.
Ripple overdose.
My score is 687.26. I currently have a Cap 1 secured for the past 5 to 6 months. I was pre-approved for Capital One, Saver One, okay, Quicksilver, and Venture One. I applied to all three and was denied any tips. You got to get your credit score up. Those credit cards that give you benefits, bro, you got to be in the 720 range at least. You're probably low 700s, high 600s. You're not going to get those cards. And that's the other reason, too, why I want you guys to get the 720s and above. You guys want to get these good credit cards that give you, like, real fucking benefits? My friend, you're going to have to be in the 700s for those. Otherwise, you're going to be you want to use Poverty Van Gogh card like me. Like, when I was 18 and shit, you could do that, too, and you get no benefits, nigga. Credit score limit, credit limit like $300.
It's the start, man.
You try to buy some Jordans, that shit will decline on you.